Okay, this time we're going to wire the battery connections. So we have a red, these are the thicker silicone insulated wires. I think they were, I can't remember, 26 or 24 gauge. The red one is 6 3/4 inches long, and the black one is 4 inches long. So we're going to solder these on to the LiPo board. So first we're going to tin the ends. That one. Okay. Solder off there. Okay, so then what I'm going to do, again my cord's a little bit short here, but just going to, oops, use the right wire. Just reflow these pads. So these are the two connections that we desoldered from the power connector. So what I'm going to do, so the plus, I don't know if you can see it, but this far one says plus. So I'm just going to lay this down beside it and solder it on. And this is where the silicone insulation, again, is really nice. It doesn't shrink back or anything. And then the minus. I'm going to move this wire out of the way. That's going to go down to the switch. Okay, I think that's got it. So now we have the two battery connections, we have the switch connections, we have the power switch connections, and then we have the two program select switch connections. So the only thing left to do is going to be the clock and data lines going over to the LED strips. So that'll be next, and there will be two of those on each of these pins. The S clock and the data pin. So that's next.